Hurricanes are among the most awe-inspiring forces on our planet. These swirling storms, fueled by warm ocean waters, can unleash unimaginable fury. To understand their potential impact, we use a system called the Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale. Developed in 1973, this scale classifies hurricanes into 5 categories based on their wind speed. Each category represents a higher level of danger and potential for destruction. The Saffir-Simpson scale helps us communicate the severity of hurricanes. It allows meteorologists to convey the potential impact of these storms to the public. From minor damage to catastrophic devastation, the scale provides a framework for understanding the risks associated with each category. However, as we face a changing climate, we must ask ourselves, is this scale still adequate? Are we prepared for the possibility of storms exceeding the limits of our current understanding? The answer, as we shall see, is far from certain. Far. At the limit, Category 5 and the fury of nature. Category 5 hurricanes represent the pinnacle of the Saffir-Simpson scale. With sustained wind speeds exceeding 157 miles per hour, these storms are capable of causing catastrophic damage. Buildings can be reduced to rubble, trees uprooted like twigs, and entire coastlines reshaped by their immense power. History is replete with examples of Category 5 hurricanes leaving indelible scars on our planet. Hurricane Andrew in 1992, Hurricane Katrina in 2005, and Hurricane Irma in 2017 serve as stark reminders of the destructive potential of these storms. These events caused billions of dollars in damage, displaced millions of people, and resulted in tragic loss of life. Yet, as we push further into the 21st century, a troubling question arises. What if Category 5 is no longer the upper limit of hurricane strength? What if climate change is fueling even more powerful storms, storms that defy our current classification system? A warming world, climate change and hurricane intensification. The Earth's climate is changing at an unprecedented rate, driven by human activities, primarily the emission of greenhouse gases. One of the most concerning impacts is the intensification of hurricanes. Warmer ocean waters provide more energy for hurricanes. As sea surface temperatures rise, so does the potential for stronger storms. Scientists predict this trend will continue as the planet warms. Beyond the scale, the case for Category 6. Hurricanes exceeding the Saffir-Simpson scale concern scientists. Category 5 starts at 157 miles per hour, but there's no upper limit. Typhoon Haiyan had winds over 200 miles per hour, and Hurricane Patricia reached 215 miles per hour. These storms suggest we need a Category 6. Ghosts of storms past. Historical examples of unfathomable power. The historical record is littered with examples of storms that have pushed the boundaries of human comprehension. While not officially classified using the modern Saffir-Simpson scale, these events offer chilling glimpses into the potential fury of nature unleashed. Consider the Great Labor Day Hurricane of 1935. This unnamed storm, the most intense hurricane to ever make landfall in the United States, slammed into the Florida Keys with unimaginable force. The storm surge, estimated at an astonishing 18 to 20 feet, reshaped the coastline and claimed the lives of hundreds of World War I veterans working on a federal project. Then there's the 1780 Great Hurricane, a monstrous storm that ravaged the Caribbean, leaving an estimated 22,000 people dead in its wake. This hurricane, considered one of the deadliest Atlantic hurricanes in recorded history, serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerability of human societies in the face of nature's fury. Preparing for the unthinkable. Adaptation and mitigation in a changing world. The potential for Category 6 hurricanes, while alarming, underscores the urgent need for adaptation and mitigation in the face of a changing climate. We can no longer afford to rely solely on historical data to predict future risks. The rules of the game are changing, and we must adapt our strategies accordingly. This means investing in more robust infrastructure, developing early warning systems that can effectively communicate the dangers of extreme weather events, and implementing sustainable practices to reduce our impact on the planet. It also means fostering a greater understanding of the interconnectedness of human and natural systems. We stand at a precipice. The choices we make today will determine the course of our future. By embracing the principles of science, innovation, and collaboration, we can create a world that is more resilient to the challenges posed by a changing climate. How do you think the world would react to a storm of this magnitude? Share your thoughts below. Would we be prepared, or are we underestimating the power of Mother Nature?